The snow fell hard that night, blanketing the Montana plains in cold silence. Asterisk, a lone pickup truck idled outside an old barn, its headlights dim in the blizzard. Inside the warm wood-heated ranch house, Cole Harrison, a tall, broad rancher with deep burn scars on the left side of his face, stirred his coffee and stared out the window. He hadn't had company in months and hadn't wanted any. But the knock on the door was real. When he opened it, a woman stood there, thin coat, no gloves, soaked through. Her lips trembled, not from cold, but fear. Asterisk, I heard there's shelter. Here, ... I can clean, cook, ... work for a place to stay, she said quickly. Please, asterisk, her name was Alina Young. Mid-20s, eyes haunted but brave. She didn't offer her story, just her hands. Asterisk, Cole looked at her. Most people turned away when they saw his face. She didn't flinch. Asterisk, I don't need anyone here, he said gruffly. I don't need your pity, she shot back. He blinked. Asterisk, I just need a roof. I'll sleep in the barn. Cole paused. I got a spare room. Just for the night, he muttered. No deals, no trades, you're not for sale. Asterisk, tears welled in her eyes, but she wiped them quickly and nodded. Asterisk, Alina slept with the door locked, fully dressed, shoes still on. Old habits don't break in one night. Asterisk, Cole noticed, but didn't comment. Asterisk, over the next week, she cleaned every corner of the ranch without being asked. Fixed his broken stove. Sorted the tool shed. She cooked simple, honest meals and always ate last. Cole watched from a distance. He knew pain, knew what it meant to hide behind work and silence. Asterisk, he saw her avoiding mirrors, flinching at loud sounds, refusing to sit at the dinner table unless he insisted. Asterisk, so he did. Asterisk, so he did. Asterisk, one night. During a storm, she screamed in her sleep. Asterisk, Cole didn't go and just left hot tea outside her door. Asterisk, the next morning, Alina confessed. Her ex-boyfriend had been a drifter, charming and cruel. He stole, cheated, and eventually hurt her. When she left, she took nothing. She hadn't even spoken her name out loud until she said it to Cole. Asterisk, why didn't you go to the police? He asked. Asterisk, I did. She whispered. He was one of them. Asterisk, Cole said nothing, just nodded and went to chop firewood harder than usual. Asterisk. Winter thawed. Alina smiled more. She started humming while washing dishes. Started asking Cole questions about ranch life, about horses, about scars. Asterisk, one day, she asked gently, how did it happen? Asterisk, he touched the ruined side of his face and said, barn fire. My brother didn't make it. I did. Asterisk, I'm sorry. Asterisk, me too. Asterisk, but in that moment two losses met, and something warm moved between them. Asterisk, then, one bright spring morning, as Cole saddled up for town. A black SUV rolled into the driveway. Alina froze. Her face went pale. Asterisk, from the passenger seat stepped the man she thought she'd escaped. Smiling like nothing had happened. Wearing a badge? Asterisk, Cole saw her face. The fear, the trembling? Asterisk, and for the first time in years, the scarred rancher dropped his gentle silence and clenched his fists. Asterisk, you know this man? He asked. Her whisper came like wind through dry grass. He's the reason I stopped dreaming. Asterisk, Cole stepped forward. Asterisk, but what happened next would test everything they had quietly built.